Welcome to iClean 2024, Australia's leading healthcare cleaning and infection control conference.
Hello, my name's Fiona Nemetz, and I am so looking forward to iClean 2024. I've spent 35 years cleaning in hospitals here in the United States, and the opportunity to come and partner with the people of Australia and how they do things is just unbelievable. And together as leaders, we have to discuss what are the best leadership processes or systems that we can develop so that we can hold on to the good employees that we have and maybe helpfully reduce some turnover, as well as making sure that we're keeping our hospitals and aged care facilities clean. And together, we can really make a difference.
March 2024. Mark your calendars and register your team. Register online now and be part of the movement to create healthier, safer environments of care for everyone.